Hello, ladies and gentlebeards. Welcome to this edition of Flat Cap Friday. May look a bit dark to you. That's because I am doing it at night time. Because woo, it's been hot today. Today I'm going to do an oil review. Two oils for you today from one company. Now, I'll just show you the one company. It's from Captain Moustache. One is Dank Fruits. That's right, Dank. D-A-N-K, not dark fruits. And the other one is a rhubarb and custard, which actually states it's a hair and skin oil. So it's not just for the old beard. So that's nice for, for the ladies if they like to get on there, like a smell of rhubarb and custard. So before we do, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the old channel, Carl's Bearded Banter. Now let's get on with the review. Hello everybody, welcome back. Yep, I thought, well, summer's here. Ooh, is it here? At the minute in the UK, we don't get the heat like this a lot, so we're not used to it. At least I'm not used to it anyway. And I was thinking to myself, days like this, I like a good ice cream or ice lolly just to cool off. But invariably, you're going to get the ice cream and the strawberry juice in your beard, and your beard's going to start smelling of ice creams. Well, I thought, cha-ching, ha-ha, I know what I'll do. I'll start doing some reviews of some beard oils, which you can either mask the smell or get your beard prepared for that kind of sweet summertime ice creamy smell. See, down there for dancing. We're going to start off with this one, as I said, from Captain Moustache. We're going to ease into these kind of summer sweet smells. I know I've done a few before, but I've got some more to come. But like I said, these are from Captain Moustache. We have rhubarb and custard, and we have the Dank Fruits. These come from Captain Moustache. You can get them at captainmoustache.bigcartel.com. And the Dank Fruits one, which is this one. This will cost you £15.50 for 30ml, £10.50 for 20ml, or £6.50 for the 10ml. So they're very accessible oils. The rhubarb and custard one is a bit cheaper still. It's 50p cheaper off each. So the 30ml is £15. 20 mils, £10, and then the 10 mils, £6. So, not bad prices at all. Okay, so we'll start with the Dank Fruits one. Now, the ingredients for this one are castor oil, olive oil, raspberry oil, and blackberry and vanilla oil. So that's it. Now, the smell of this, let's give it a bit of a shake up, because this is why I've done it too, actually. I'll tell you my secrets here, is because I was so unsure on how to describe this one, and I thought, well, if I throw the rhubarb and custard one in, then, at least I can talk about that. But this one, it has you sort of do get a wild fruit smell to it, but it's not that strong. It's not an overly strong smell. Let's get it on my hand. So it's a very mild one. I mean, it's going to coat your beard lovely. But it's a very, very mild smell. Like hints of wild fruits. If you go blackberry and raspberry picking, and you get the kind of, not just the blackberries, you're getting that kind of wild blackberry smell. So that's all I can say for the Dank Fruits one. Now, I'm not saying it's a bad thing really. I mean, for the price, give it a go. It could be because, I've had it for a while and it's been in the heat. I don't know if that's affected it. Well, it will have done somehow. But I mean, for the price, you can't beat for £6.50 for that's 10ml. Excellent prices. But that now, the different kettle of fish is the rhubarb and custard. And this one just is straight off, no denying it. You're getting that rhubarby smell. Rhubarb and custard, you think, the sweet shop, when you buy them little rhubarb and custard, was it squares or whatever they were, like you know, them boiled sweet style. That is what the smell is. Pure rhubarb and custard sweet smell. And it's a nice smell. It's potent enough to be there, but it's not overpowering. I'd say it's kind of like a mid-level smell. Now it does contain castor oil in these, and I was never a big fan of castor oil, but I am coming round to them slowly. Some it's more potent than others. In Captain Moustache you do smell a castor oil there, but it does have that lovely rhubarb and custard smell. And I suppose rhubarb and custard, it's a distinctive smell, so you either, you know, you like it all over it. But this, it's a fun smell. It's one that you're going to love, I think, in the summer days, like I said. Getting you ready for when you spill all your when your ice cream drips in your beard, all sorts of stuff like that, and you can just say, oh no, it's just my beard oil. But that's worth giving it a go. And like I say, even if you went for the small, well, go for the biggest bottle, £15 for 30ml. Can't go wrong, give them a try. Go for the small ones first if you want, the £6.50 or £6, depending on which one you get. But they're a nice enough little oil, worth trying out. A lot of people out there like the lower prices stuff. You know, it's got a few ingredients. It's got, like I say, it's castor oil in there, olive oil, raspberry, blackberry, and vanilla oil in the Dank Fruits. The rhubarb and custard one is made from castor oil, olive oil again, and then it has rhubarb and vanilla oils in it to give it that smell. They're all vegan friendly, so if that's your thing, worth giving them a go. Check it out. Now, I have met Victor. He's a nice guy. I met him when I was in York once, and you know, that's when we started talking about beard oils, and he sent me a few to sample, so I'll give him a go. Can still smell that rhubarb and custard on my hands and in my beard. I don't know what the scent, how it will last, because obviously I've just put it on now. I've put both on now actually, but the smell of the rhubarb and custard is coming through stronger, like I said, than the Dank Fruits one. So I don't know what I think about this. Now, I'm not putting it down in any way, which is, that's a bit strange, isn't it? It's just, there's a smell there and I just can't describe it. And that's why I don't want to put it down, because it's not an unpleasant smell. It's just, for me, I can't describe. I would love for someone else to give this Dank Fruits a go. I would love to, and then give me some comments and let me know what you think of it. Because, like I say, it's not a horrible smell. I've had some, I've just smelt them and said to the person, look, I'm sorry, friend, I'd rather not review this one because it's not for me, you know, and I don't want to upset the apple cart, as it were, because other people might love that smell. I just won't review the ones that I don't like, purely because it's my own opinion. Yours may differ. And this one, I'm not saying I don't like it. It's just quite hard to describe the smell. But that's all I've got to say, really. Thanks for joining. It's Flat Cap Friday. It's a short one. We're going to start looking at the summer oils now, the summer smells, getting us all excited for the ice creams and all that sort of thing. But yeah, Captain Moustache. Go and give them a check out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Please, somebody get that Dank Fruits one and give me your opinion on the smell. But that's it for now. Again, I'm going now. That's it. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I want to get up there. When I get to them 500, I'm going to do a nice big beard oil giveaway. Lots of different companies, lots of different products for you to win. So, toodles for now.